Hi, another unboxing today. This is also from the Fat Quarter shop, so I have not opened it. Let's give it an open. And this is the Holiday Fat Quarter Club, which I do get monthly. And this is featuring Scandi Christmas. So I'll list everything below, the links and everything, but it costs $29.98 and shipping of $4.95, so it costs $34.93 per month. I do get 12 fat quarters in here, so let's give it an open and see what we get this time. It looks very muted, which is really nice. Reds and, is it blacks or grays? Grays. So I do like it. Let me move my previous one out of the way. Okay, so it looks like I said, there's 12. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 grays and 6 reds. So it is, let's see, I think you can see it. So it has a gray and white Christmas trees, pine trees on a red background. All sorts of Christmas related items on a red background. Snowflakes. Looks like a snow flurry. Here's the grays. So this is the same as the Christmas trees on a gray background. Same thing with the Christmas ornaments and Santa sleigh. Snow flurry. I like how muted these are. Snowflake. Looks like a pine bough. Pine, I don't know how you say that. B-O-U-G-H. Bough or bow. This is like a Christmas village. Super nice. And this is like whimsical animals. Fox and owls and birds and Christmas trees. Looks Scandinavian almost. I guess that's why it's called Scandi Christmas. And the same thing in the gray. So I'm really liking this. I will probably keep it together so that when I do a quilt that needs these kind of colors, I will have them all ready to go. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. And here is the information again. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye!